How to set a custom status in Slack. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Slack on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Slack account. Then click on your profile at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on Update Your Status. After you've clicked on Update Your Status, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here at the top, what's your status? Simply type in to custom status. Type in as you want, and then you'll find remove status after. Select it and select when you want this to remove. And then press on one of the option and press on save. After you do that, when somebody clicks on your profile, they'll find status. This is how to set a custom status in Slack. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.